Hello, welcome to an episode of What the Birds Say, episode 5. Live from the port. We're doing no. You can see me. Hello. I say, I wonder. Oh, look at this food. Lovely seed. I'm a starling. Hi, sparrows. How you doing, Mr. Sparrow? How you doing, Mr. Starling? I'm okay. Nice food, isn't it? Lovely food. Oh, look at the lads up there. Hello. Hello. Oh, look, we're at the birdhouse. Oh, God. Very hard to see this morning. Oh, look, I'm on the fence. Hello, I'm on the little fence. Hello. What's over here? Oh, look, the matching. Oh, look, a bird bat. We won't even use that. We're here at all. We're up here in the tree. No, I'm a dove. Oh, I'm a dove. I'm a wild dove. I'm a focus over there. Focus this morning here. Oh, apologies for all the bad focus shots here this morning. Okay, oh, here, yeah, oh, I'm that. Oh, yeah, we all live up here. We all live up here. Yeah, we know. We all live up here, yeah. Oh, we know. We all live up here, yes, we know. Oh, that's a 2 minutes episodes now. Anyone else down here now? Anyone else down here for the bird? You see now. See here. 2 pence, 2 minutes, see here. What's see here? See here. Oh dear. We up in the tree. What's that on the tree? That's all for this episode of What the Birds Say. And there's Mr. Tashi. Let's go. Bonus footage, What the Birds Say. Episode 5. Oh, we're down here. Having a bird seed. Yes, we are. This is Gobo. And Hello, I'm blue tit. I'm a blue tit. I'm a blue. Where am I gone? I'm a blue tit. I am a blue. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Right. Haha, you can't catch me. I'm jumping around like an idiot. Ah, I got. I'm the king. I'm the king. I'm the king of the doves. I'm the king of the doves. I know. Oh, I know. Hang on. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm on my own. Oh, board bat. City board bat. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Up to 6 such birds. Oh, we're still up here. And I'm the king of the doves. Where am I? Get the camera on me. I'm the king of the doves. No, we're not. I'm the king of the doves. No, we're the king of the doves. I'm the king of the doves. No, I'm... oh, shut up. Hey, we love to just sit out here on the washing on the line, yeah. We're not gonna move. We're fucking lazy bastards. Oh, what is such language? There's a bird. Oh, look. Oh, look. Bow, bow. Hello. Oh. Ah, boop, 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 boop. Oh, me. Oh, jeez. Oh, but, oh, yeah, oh, God. Oh, but, all right. Time for episode 6 of What the Birds Say. But wait, look. It's a robin. No, it's not. Where's it gone? It's a robin. Something anyway. Oi. No, it's not a robin.